This is a game that I made called Robot Helps Out. In the game, you are a robot. The robot is supposed to get 2 vaccination bottles for the doctor. While you're getting the 2 vaccination bottles for the doctor, on the way, other doctors will also ask for their own items. You can start the program by clicking the green flag. My intro will then play and you sort of just have to wait. It's only a few seconds long. Then, when you go to room 1, you will see that a doctor tells you that you need to get 2 vaccination bottles. He also explains a few more stuff, like you can leave the room by pressing space. I know that I have to go to room 1 because in the instructions, it says that specifically you should go to room 1. Then it tells you to go to room 3, and when you go to room 3, a monkey then tells you that she will give you 1 vaccination bottle, but then you must go to Dr. Fauci for the other one. She then tells you you'll also find him in room 6. You can see here that vaccination bottle went from 0 to 1 because you got your vaccination bottle. She then tells you to go to Dr. Fauci, who is in room 6. In room 6, he says that he will give you his vaccination bottle, but if you could, while you're at it, get him some coffee on the way. He says that you'll find the coffee in room 5, their lounge. He will then give you the vaccination bottle and tell you to first go to the doctor. As you can see up here, vaccination bottles are now 2, but you also have the task of coffee. When you press space and then go to room 1, vaccination bottles is hidden because, you've completed the task. And the penguin doctor then tells you that he could not have done it without you and that he says thank you. You must then go to room 5, where an octopus will tell you to go to room 8 to get the coffee powder because, she drank all the coffee. If you keep waiting, she will then give you the task, and then you must go to get room 8. When you go to room 8, you will see that coffee powder is now 1 and that the scan has given you 1 coffee. Once you go back to room 5, you can see that coffee powder is not there anymore, but coffee has turned to 1. When you go to room 6, he gives you coffee and tells you to go to room 7. When you go to room 7, you'll see this poster saying you won, thank you doctors. Another thing that I added in my game was because I wanted people to go and follow the directions and not just do whatever they want, I made it so that with all this code here, you cannot go into any other room. For example, as you will see, if I try to go to room 3, the monkey tells you to go back and listen to the doctor. If you go to room 8, it tells you it's prohibited. And that's all.